Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to see someone's former username on Instagram. So, to see someone's former usernames on Instagram, open the Instagram app first. Here it is. Now, I will search for a particular account of which I want to see the former username. Like, here it is. Now tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the account. Then you will find about this account. Tap on this. Here you will find the former usernames option. Tap on this again. Here you will find that the account or this user has changed their username 4 times or whatever the times that is shown in your searched account. So, in this way, you can see someone's former usernames on Instagram. Hope the video is helpful to you. Do like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe the channel.